We need some vitamin, man. Muscle, no, man, they're not strong, man. Why name again?
DJ Architect.
Alright. Welcome to Montego Bay, guys. I'm tired. I got here late. A lot of things went wrong. But we're still going to do this. Alright, Montego Bay, I'm here. Let's go. Outside. Open up. Open up, killer. Just a reach or some man.
Just a reach, I'm here.
A long time if you reach, but the thing I go out now. So I just have to start here now. And walk through. Right, man. Big up. Yeah, that. Oh. The first one for the day, dog. Feel lazy now, no? Yeah, I first one them that feed you, dog. Yeah. But I'm never ready for this today, you know. I tell you God too. Tell them it looks so nice. Tell them why it hurts so bad. Madam. Hello. Hi. How you doing? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Go on. Come, she interview me. Come. Hello.
Hello, Spiderman, Jamaican Spiderman.
Anansi, man. I like it. Yes.
Anansi.
There we go. Wonderful.
Yes,
Yeah.
how much I move?
I only do one click. I'm feeling lazy, you know. Ready? One. Wonderful. You're welcome, man. Keep being fabulous. Ah, Michaela. That make a girl do her thing, you know? That is it, my dear. Isn't Go on. Is that a video? I saw that only phone. Yeah. See the one back click. Active. Come here. Yeah! We need some vitamin, man.
I need
Muscle, no, man, they're not strong, man. What do you mean? But you see, when you walk for your foot, I walk for my hand, strong enough.
Hold on.
Yeah, me do. Pull. Up, me do. Up, me go better. Yeah, me do. Active. Yeah, man. Yeah, me do. Tomorrow dancing dynamite, you know.
This Saturday, opposite tomorrow.
Hey.
Starting at 12 noon. Dancing dynamite. It's the big 20 TV stopper. And you're invited. Plus, who wins the dance prize with thousands of dollars? It's the Harbour City Shopping Mall. Dancing.
Oh, hello, sorry. I don't know web. I don't have no web.
Should I walk with Miss Webb, sir?
Yeah, I should have. You're right. You are correct. I late. Yeah. Oh, I work for this. I'm passing through. I'm trying to pass through. Yeah? In can't hold me now. I beat him up in my sleep, in my rest. Yeah, he's coming. I'm the final boss, you know. Final boss. So we have to take them on one by one, yeah? Yeah, you take care, alright? Yeah. We are there just... Yeah, easy now, man. We are easy back within a Montego Bay, yeah? I'm tired, I'm not lying, I'm not do nothing. Yeah, but we are work on it as it. Bro. Yeah, me did. Active. Yo! Wallace. Feel that. What I mean, brother? You can't box it there. Easy now, man. What going? Yeah. About 10 of them we just do. No man, you're not ready, brother. Dog not ready. Oh, go on, lady. Dangerous. You're not ready, you're dangerous today. Now go on with yourself. Bean. That is it. Okay, fancy that one, yeah? Come out today. I want to go and feel. Right? Hello. See that? Should you have to touch me now? You say, do it again. Whoa. 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 Huh? Crawl. Crawl. Right in there. Hello. Alright. Active, my G. Yeah, I am the bodyguard, you know, you have been looking at that. What hug you want? Oh God. Hello. You want to take a picture? Hello. Yeah. It took me a while, but I made it. I feel the love enough, come. Well, me good. Don't make me drop, you know. Don't make me drop. Yeah. Hey. 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 We're not climbing the grill today. I'm a day off. Yeah? Yeah? Nice. Yeah, man, big up. Yeah. Eh? My name from back. Look at. Not you. Oh, alright, let me take a picture. Yes, Nadia business this. Sweeter. Buy toast. And then I meet make me feel strong, so. Hello. I hug you want to? Hey. Later. Hey, you want to? Hey. Hey. Yeah. Yes, you're still off. She said you're still off today. Yeah. Your name Evan? Evan, she name? Your name Evan? Evan. Hello, Evan. Hi. You okay? Yeah? Alright, Evan, go on. Later. Hi. Hey. Yeah, move back, you want me to lift you up. Careful, you know.
No, I'm not
Behave, you know.
not lift you up.
Yeah? Spidey sense said, don't do it. We have to look up the pedestrian there, man. Okay. Hey! Me even feel like me do nothing, dog.
Yeah.
Because I know nothing for me to kill him. Yes. That boy. Come in. Yeah, nah, we active, man. Active, man. Yeah. Man, we can flip them. They're active, man. I hate man, we kill him. Active, man. That is it. A code, man. That's it. That's easy now, man. Yeah.
DJ Architect, man. I'm here always tagging a marble, man.
Yeah? That me like, man. That's something I want to think of. Yeah? Yeah, man. Me see dog like a one post, you know. Yeah, man. Me see dog like a one post.
DJ Dreadbeard post the same thing yourself. When Cartel post you, so I give him a link. So DJ, you know DJ Dreadbeard on Gaza you?
No, I don't know how we know about it. Me figure it out. Me figure it out.
But I'm always tagging big up his sponsor you on Marvel Canada. So the time always when you come at me always have to tag you to them.
Why name again?
DJ Architect.
Alright.
Just remember
We go
that.
feed. Yeah, we go for research, yeah. That's too all go on. Hello, how you doing? You look nice? You like it?
Jamaica soup.
I like your fit to looking awesome, my friend.
Yes.
Keep it up. Yeah. Man. Yeah. You see it. You can't make them boots. You have limits, you know. You see it. You see a boost and then hospital. You see free. No, dog. You see it. Hello. No, sir. Hello. Oh, you look dull, so what am I going for you? You look tired. I saw me look under my mask, you know. I'm tired, you know. At 2 hours I sleep last night, you know. And I take 8 hours to come here from Portland. Yeah, 8 hours to take me for reach here, you know. Far, whenever I go to Portland. Far, man. Just plan a day. If you go, just know say you're going to need a whole day. Later. Yeah. You have anything look like me? Oh. No. What do you mean no? Look there. Oh, I'm pass through, but God. Alright. Active! Yeah. Oh, you know. Jano. Yo, me a walk, and me just a walk, and me a walk, and me a walk, and me a walk, and me a walk, and can't reach. Just a walk. I can't fly. What she say? She say a Jamaica man. Yeah.
Spiderman.
Active.
Spiderman. Crime. Spiderman.
Man them. Active.
Spider, Jamaican spider.
You want him run? Me not rush him, man. Me not rush him. In gateway. Me not rush him. No, me not rush him. You see, too, me tired. Me never want to do a bag of whole heap of jump up today. Me don't really want to do a whole heap of flick today because I'm tired. Me don't really get no sleep. Just there you go. Big up yourself. Yeah. Come in now. Hey, look shy, shy you. Here, give me a fist bump, so. Hold it there, man. You see it? Active. Yeah, me do. Up. Run, enough to run. Yeah. Now I'm flick down, me just bush. That's a joke, man. That's a joke, bro, God. You can't still say that, I got gimmicks, you know. I joke him around, man. Hello. Yeah, I know it's a car, we need to carry my back down there, so brother. We need a car if we go up, so. Active, yeah, man, we active. I can't bother, you know, because I feel like flicker good up saying about. I don't have the energy, guys. I tell you God too. Right now, I'm tired and I can't bother. I'll be honest with you now. I pass through. Yo, yo! Ready? Yeah, must have flick the Spiderman, must have flick.
See Jamaican Spiderman and day night party.
Yeah, I will a party.
Hey, you're not gonna people them something. You can't pass through. Hey, what I write the Spiderman? Jamaican Spiderman. Yeah, people. Want to watch a look for prayer. But if you can't follow him social too. Yeah, Jamaican Spiderman just pull up in an event. And we have show respect for that, you know. Yeah.
Watch them enough.
Yeah, man. One Jamaican Spiderman, people who can follow him social too as well. Yeah. Yeah, man, the people them something you don't know you do it in a real life. We have to pick up your youth. Yeah, man. You can follow him social too.
Active.
Jamaican Spiderman. Yeah, man. They must have a good check that one Spiderman, you know. Yeah. In a real life.
Yo! Active. Eh?
Amazing Spiderman.
Well, the kids not there, be a big people. They can save themselves. We outside. Yeah, where do I go? Hello. Yeah.
Supernatural.
Oh yeah, Jamaica Spiderman.
Yeah. She has to come upstairs. What am I going to do? Hey. And we are upstairs, eh, yeah, so? What, so?
Yo.
Oh, go on. Active, yeah.
Must be climb up on the building now.
Easy now, man. Yeah. We not swing, yeah. No, we not swing. We not climb things, McG. There you go. Me see you back again. Yeah. Anansi. Yeah, man. Is he free? Come on. They're too short, man. Alright, take this way. Ah, look at me. Come. Hey, wagwan. That is it. Yo! Hey! Stop! Active. Then I play. Oh, sorry, dog. To be there, I'm active. I pass through the place, you know. Well, yeah, eventually. So, Jack, look for yourself. That's it. Active, yeah, MG. Yeah, MG. Hear the man. I'm going to do it again. Come here, but you know, I can't do it on 10th hot. Easy now. I have it, man. Yeah, MG. There you go. Hey, man, say fly. Can't fly, dog. A lot of people wonder why my always do the same flick them. Because they're easy. And I can do them multiple times. That is the reason. I have to do one flick like 100 times. I can't do a difficult flick 100 times I got dead. See? Active. They don't want to see me, man. You catch it? Right. Never stop. Active. Yeah. Oh, hello. Are you twins? You're twins? Are you twins? No? You sisters? Oh, wow, you look alike. You really look alike. Yeah, come. Come. Come right here. Come. Let's go. Come around this side. Yeah, come this side. Turn to camera. Cheese! Bye! guys, I'm tired, so I'm not doing a whole heap of nothing today, you see? You don't have to stay with me, I still do something. I still do something. Let's see if I can do 2 players. Yeah. Anansi, my name. Yeah. In left. Yeah. Okay. Have a good chat to people. I'm done. I'm done, no. Yeah. Yo, guys, this is the end of Montego Bay. I kind of came here tired. Come here. So, yeah, we did a lot. And I'm tired, so I didn't really feel it, but I still pushed through, you see it? So, thank you for watching.